part of a media course is being able to manage a project. In order to manage a project, there are a number of different production management documents that you must complete. One production document you must produce is the call sheet. The call sheet is a daily filming schedule created by the assistant director on a film. Based on the director's shot list, a call sheet contains important details like the location, the cast call times, and the shooting schedule. So this is what the document looks like. At the top of the document, you must have the important members of the crew, the producer and director, and their contact details. You have the date of the shoot, how many shooting days this is going to be, and quite importantly, what time do you want your cast and your crew to turn up. You also have your primary location and where the nearest hospital is in case of an accident. On the second half of this sheet, you list all your locations. You must have the address. Is there going to be any parking there for your cast and crew? Who is the main contact for that location? And any notes that you might need to make, such as, are you going to be shooting at night time? Do you need to black out the windows? That kind of thing. You also need to have the list of all the crew and what role they do and what time you need each member of them to turn up on the location, and also the cut time, what time are they going to finish for the day. You must also list all your cast, what time you want them to appear on the location, and you have to remember they will probably finish before the crew because the crew have to put any equipment away, so they will be needed on set for a lot longer than the cast. In the description below you will find other links to other production management documents that you must complete.